Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Do you own a Windows computer or laptop that's not always in use? Maybe there's one just sitting there, collecting dust. Well, here's your golden opportunity to put them to some good use. Did you ever imagine that your idle computer or laptop could become your very own cash-generating dynamo, all while you simply keep them running? Believe it or not, the excitement of earning money has never been easier. Turn your computer or laptop into a money-making machine with one simple trick. It might sound too good to be true, but guess what? It's the thrilling reality you've been waiting for. Get ready to meet the ultimate income-boosting wizardry. I'm thrilled to introduce you to this ingenious software that turbocharges your computer or laptop, transforming them into unstoppable income-generating machines. But here's the kicker: if you've got a dedicated or discrete graphics card, you're about to unlock a whole new level of earnings. Let me introduce you to Salad and its cloud mining community that shares computer power and earns from it. Welcome to the electrifying world of Salad, a global powerhouse of compute-sharing brilliance. Imagine thousands of gamers and power users coming together in one thrilling community. They're not just users, they're culinary maestros in the kitchen of high-performance computing. These masterminds, known as Salad chefs, harness the raw power of their idle PCs, fueling advanced computing projects that are nothing short of extraordinary. And the best part? You'll not just be doing it for the thrill. You'll be scoring real-life rewards that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Step away from your keyboard and let Salad supercharge your rewards journey. Unlock a world of excitement with new Steam games, Discord Nitro, DLC, jaw-dropping gift cards, and an incredible selection from the Salad storefront. Plus, the magic doesn't stop there. You can even transform your Salad balance into PayPal cash to enjoy the freedom of paying with your PC from anywhere in the world. Get ready to level up your earnings like never before. I have been a Salad user for a while now, and I love it. So, let me extend you an invitation to join Salad. I have provided the link in the description below. Join using my invite code that is on the screen and in the description below and earn at twice the rate. Get your passive income journey started and collect the exciting rewards sooner. So, sign up now and join people from nearly 200 countries. Earn passive income by sharing your computing power and redeem from millions of rewards per year. Be part of the trusted Salad community today. Join now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe and follow my YouTube and Medium channels for more passive income videos and blogs. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video.